Hello traders. Today I want to show you a new implementation for BRUNO MEZA, the trading journal. This trading journal is completely free and unlimited for all customers. It applies to previous customers, new ones, and those who are about to acquire any of our products. But what is a trading journal? It is a web platform that allows you to record and analyze all your trades. The information will be sent semi-automatically from the NINJATRADER 8 platform to BRUNO MEZA's database with the help of an add-on that we will study later. With this trading journal, you will be able to add notes, review statistics per trade, measure your progress as a trader, and much more. How to install the trading journal. To use the trading journal, first navigate to brunomeza.com. Then, go to the client area at the top. You will see the My Products cover page. On the left side, you will find a menu. There a new option will appear, Trading Journal. Click on Trading Journal. First, you will see a welcome message, which invites you to start using the trading journal. Then, you will see a button called Start the Trading Journal. When you click that button, the system will generate an automatic password that you can use in the NINJATRADER add-on, and it will serve to send the information from NINJATRADER to the BRUNO MEZA website. Now, click on Start the Trading Journal. Then go to the Tutorial to Add My Accounts button. In that window, you will see your purchase email, which is the same one with which you logged into the client area. You will also see a password automatically generated for you. If you click on the eye icon, you will be able to see the password. Later, I will explain how to use that password. At the bottom, you will see the Download the Add-on button. Click the button, pause the video, and follow the steps to download and install the add-on. When you have finished downloading and installing the add-on, then you can continue with the video. How to send the information to the trading journal. With the add-on already installed, you must go to the NINJATRADER platform. Then, go to the Tools tab or Herramientas, and then go to the BRUNO MEZA Trading Journal option. In the window that will open, you must enter your access credentials, which are the ones you have available on the website. The advantage is that this program has no limitations on the number of computers where it can be installed. You can install this program on all the machines you use to trade and use the same credentials to send the information to your personal trading journal. After entering the credentials, you must choose which accounts you want to view in your trading journal by selecting the Send buttons next to the name of each account. Finally, after having chosen the accounts, you must select the time range of information you want to send. My recommendation, if it is the first time you are sending the information of an account, is to do it from the beginning to send all the historical information. Then, when you are ready, click the Send Information button. With these steps, the data will already be available in the trading journal. You can send the information as many times as necessary. You should not worry about sending the same information several times because there will be no duplication of information in the system. Finally, in summary, the idea is the following. Every day that you finish your trading activity, you must access this program and send the information to the servers of BRUNO MEZA so that that trading day can be viewed in your trading journal. If you do not send the information, then that trading day will not be displayed automatically on the website. Additionally, if you trade from 2 different machines or more, you can install this program on all your computers and thus send the information from the machine you traded on that particular day. After sending the information, close the add-on window. Then, refresh the website page. Since you have already sent data, you should see all the accounts and the results. How to use the trading journal. Using the trading journal is very simple. At the top, you will find the filters. You can select a specific account to see only the statistics for that particular account. It is also possible to choose a specific date range to see the statistics for only that date range. For example, this week or this month. Additionally, in the Filters tab, you can filter by instrument. For example, if you want to see only the statistics of what was traded in the micro S&P 500, then you select it, apply it, and in that way you will see only the statistics of that instrument. In the same way, you can repeat the process to filter other instruments specifically. On the other hand, there is the Trade Type filter. Later, we will see what it consists of and how to use this filter. However, the general idea is to assign a trade type to each trade in your history, and then measure the performance and profitability of each trade type by applying this filter. On the other hand, at the top of the trading journal, you will see several indicators, such as, for example, the net P&L, the percentage of winning trades, the profit factor, the percentage of winning days, among other important statistical data. You will also see a chart with the daily cumulative P&L for the selected date range. If the trader is profitable, the curve looks like an ascending mountain. On the other hand, you will also be able to observe which days were winners and which were losers, all in a visual and clear way. Further down, you will find a Recent Trades section. There only the last 8 trades are shown for quick access. In the first column, we can add notes for each trade. You can write whatever you want. You can even paste images by taking a screenshot and pressing Ctrl+V in the note field. When you are finished, you can press the Save button. If later you want to review or edit the note, you just have to click the Note button again. How to create trade types and their rules. To create the trade types and assign them the rules of your trading plan, you must go to New Trade Type. Write a name for the trade and a description. For example, Trade 1 and Trade Type 1 respectively. Then add the rules or conditions that must be met for the trade to comply with your trading plan. For example, EMA 8 above the price, overextended mass ED, mandatory candle close. Finally, save the trade type. In this way, we can create as many trade types as we want according to our strategy. Now you can assign the trade types created to the trades in the history in the Type column. Once the trade type is assigned, the Plan tab will be automatically activated, where a No sign will initially appear. That means that you have not complied with your trading plan for that specific trade. To be able to change the No to a Yes, you must go to the Check Rules button that is on the right and indicate which rules you have complied with. If you comply with all the rules, the symbol will change to Yes, which means that all the rules of the trading plan were complied with for that specific trade. You can repeat this process for each trade. Once we have created and assigned the trade types to the trades in our history, then we can filter the statistics by trade types. To do this, we go to the Filters button and choose the trade type we want to filter. In this way, it is possible to study its consistency and profitability. Trading Calendar. The trading calendar is another very useful section. In the calendar, you will be able to observe the result of the filtered accounts day by day. In the same way, you will be able to observe how many trades were executed each day and how the result of each week ended. Additionally, we can enter each of the days to observe more information and the trades executed. For example, suppose we want to see how this winning day of 520 USD unfolded. Inside the day, you will be able to observe the trades executed and how the result of that day was formed. In the same way, you will be able to add notes for each trade, assign the trade type, and mark whether or not you complied with the trading plan as we learned earlier in the video. On the other hand, similar to how we add notes for the trades independently, a note can also be added to the day in general. To do this, click on the day and then on the top button, Add Note to the Day. Write the text, for example, Day 1, and save. The note will be associated with the day. In this way, you build a clear and orderly record. And well, traders, this is the current state of the trading journal. Remember that this is the initial version 1. Over time, more functions will be added. It is likely that when you watch this video, new features will already exist. We will incorporate improvements according to user feedback. If you have questions or doubts, leave them in the comments. Thank you very much.